This is Bill Herman again. This is Creative License, as you can see, this is our On the Road series. And in the middle of all of this traveling, my friend and assistant Kirk saw us pass a state patrolman, and I slowed down a little bit, and I go, did he follow us? Did he see us? And the only thing Kirk said was, oh, that reminds me, I need to get new tabs for my truck. Okay, well, it's interesting, isn't it? When do we think about the new tabs for our truck? When we needed them, you know, it's like shows up later. It's like he knew that he needed tabs for his truck, and now they're past due, and that's when he remembers that they're due, right? Well, we do that a lot with the gear that we use and the tools that we use in our business, right? When do you go and get a new speaker? Well, when it fails at a gig. When do you get a new speaker stand? Well, when you can't get it up anymore. Wrong choice of words, I think. When do you got to get a computer? Well, when it fails at the event. Okay, well, okay. But what is it that's keeping you from putting together a checklist to do regular checks and upgrades and check to be sure things are working with your gear on a regular basis? Why don't you, once a week, in the middle of your week, between gigs, take all your stuff out, make sure it's clean, make sure it has everything it needs, make sure you have all the downloads and upgrades, make sure everything's working top shape. I mean, that's what we should do. That's what you should do with your car. You know, when do you end up needing an oil change? Well, they've worked it into the car now, so it'll tell you. But in the back in the day, you didn't get an oil change until the car started feeling like it's running rough. Oh, well, heck, I should have got an oil change 3,000, 10,000, 20,000 miles ago. So if you want to stay on your top game, doing what you do, doing it for your clients, do regular checks. Stay on top of it so that you don't have to punt when all of a sudden your stuff goes bad in front of all of your audience members. Give that some thought. Tell me what you think about it. Tell me about your checks. If you've got ways to make sure that happens, put it in the comments below. Do what you need. If you can do me a favor, go to the Facebook page and like it, and then also go to the YouTube page and subscribe and follow. I'd really appreciate it. Until next time, I'm Bill, and this is Creative License. Bye.